Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about Rome apples. They originated in Rome Township, Ohio in 1817, and the Gillette family bought several young apple trees and started an orchard, and noticed one tree was a little different from the others. The tree was planted anyway, but they did plant it away from the others and eventually found that it produced an exceptional fruit. It was grafted many times over and marketed to other growers in the area. It was eventually carried across America and it's been grown in regions that are suitable for apples ever since. It's been marketed under the names of Rome apples, red Rome apples, and Rome Beauty apples. Regarding the characteristics of Rome apples, they're medium to large. They might be round, conical in shape, or even oblong, so the shape may vary a little bit. They have a yellow base that's covered with red. The flesh is yellow to a creamy white. It's firm, crisp, and dense. They have a crunchy texture with a mild, sweet, tangy flavor and a slight floral aroma. And the flavor of Rome apples does intensify when it's cooked, becoming sweeter and richer, which is great. It's an interesting thing to note because that doesn't always happen with all apples. Rome apples will keep for a couple of months when stored in the refrigerator, so they do not have a very long shelf life. Regarding the best uses of Rome apples, they hold their shape well when they're baked, so they are most often used in cooking applications like baking, frying, and roasting apples. They're an excellent apple to be served as baked apples and used in pies, tarts, cakes, breads, cookies, muffins, that sort of thing. So they can be used in both sweet and savory applications. They can be added to stuffing and quiche. They can be roasted with root vegetables and meats. They can be diced and added to pancake batters. You can also slow cook Rome apples and make them into sauces and soups. Slices can be fried and served as a side dish even. Rome apples pair well with pork chops, Italian sausage, poultry, pecans, currants, raisins, cinnamon, and maple syrup. I do hope this helps. Bye for now.